I'm Jeannie Klein, and this is my brand new series called Super Simple. All of my recipes are 10 ingredients or less. We're repurposing leftovers for the following day to come up with a brand new dish. We're doing food in a smart, efficient, but really fun way. It's all super simple. It's quesadilla day, everybody, so come on. I'm gonna show you how to make this quesadilla loaded with tons of vegetables and cheese and sauce and all kinds of goodies, but stick around to the end to find out how this turns into breakfast. I have my pan that I'm gonna get heated with some olive oil. Get that nice and hot. All right, and we're gonna cut this onion up. Onion always is a good base to any dish, especially in a quesadilla. I feel like you need it. So we're just gonna saute these onions until they're nice golden brown. I have a little trick for you guys. I always add in a little bit of salt because that helps bring out the moisture from the onions and it helps get them nice and golden and caramelized, kind of what you're looking for. Helps kind of speed that process up quite a little bit. Meanwhile, I'm gonna get going on my zucchini here. A small dice. Beautiful. And then we have some thyme. Again though, any herbs you have lying around in your fridge, or if you want to go outside and pick some fresh basil, if you have some parsley, you have thyme. I'm just pulling it right off the stem. Once those are all nice and golden brown, we're going to be adding in our thyme, our zucchini, some corn. I'm using canned corn here. If you have frozen corn, you could completely thaw that and use that as well. And then some mushrooms. And then we're going to be layering it with these tortillas. And we have some cheese and sauce. Just such good, easy flavors. We have our zucchini in there with our thyme. The second that thyme hits that pan, you smell it and it's just delicious. Now we're gonna throw in our mushrooms. So we have some chopped up baby bellas. And last but not least, we have our corn. We're gonna season this with a little bit of salt and pepper. Beautiful. We are just gonna take all these guys and strain them all through a little sieve or something, or a colander you can use. Or you can even just take a towel or paper towel and just like dab them really well. Get that all into that bowl. We have some flour tortillas. We're gonna add marinara sauce. To that, we're gonna add some mozzarella cheese. And we have our vegetables all strained off. And I'm just gonna take some of those vegetables and put it right in our quesadilla. I'm just gonna add a little more cheese, because why not? I make the rules here in my kitchen. Beautiful. Plus the cheese will help the tortilla stick. You hear that? All right, give that a minute or two, let it get nice and crispy, and then we're gonna flip them over. Woo! Yum! Oh my God, it looks so good. So we're just gonna wait another minute or so, let the rest of that cheese get nice and melty and gooey. All right, moment of truth. This makes me so excited. It's such a basic thing, but it's just crispy all over, and it's just loaded with all those goodies in there. Oh, it smells so yummy. Okay, so that's it. Quesadillas, you could serve them any way you like it. I usually end up just cutting it into little quarters. And that's it. Plate it up just like that. Cheese to the bowl. Hot. Damn, that looks so good. Okay, you guys, there you have it. Fabulous quesadillas, oozy cheese, so easy to pull together. Plus, you got all these leftover vegetables, and as promised, we have a second idea for a recipe. This is my favorite way to make a frittata. Take your leftover vegetables, throw in some cream, eggs, cheese, put it in a pan, bake it until it's nice and set and golden and beautiful, and serve it up any way you like. Super simple. Enjoy, guys.